Hey everybody, we just wanted to show you our new computer that we're going to unbox in front of you. And why did we get a new computer?
Because we're starting a new adventure. We're going to start a channel together, and we're going to use this computer to work on that.
You know, we each have our separate channels, and we're going to have a channel together.
That'll be fun.
We didn't think of a name for it yet, but we got the computer. Because we each have our own computer, and we're going to keep all our files from our new channel on this computer. And look at this. I'm going to unbox it here for you. Yeah. We're going to get it ready.
Color.
She picked the color. I would have picked a blue green or black camouflage. Hit me.
Okay. There we go.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at that
HP.
color.
It's copper, like our pans. HP 17-inch touchscreen, which we don't really need, but a lot of times I tell you, click here, and then click here, and then I've already clicked for
Well,
you.
after you get used to using your phone touchscreen,
Open that. Open.
sometimes it seems like you're going to touch the computer.
Yeah, but we don't want fingerprints all over it. But so anyway, this is going to be fun. Here's another box. Maybe we got two by mistake.
I don't think so. That's the auxiliaries.
Here's a power cord. Rest of the power cord. A wireless mouse that matches the computer. What's in here? Oh, that's where they would put a keyboard if you got one, I guess. It comes with a keyboard built in.
Here,
This
give
has-
me a kiss. Oh.
Best wishes. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM, which my desktop has, which we need that much power for our editing software. 2 terabytes of hard drive, because we fill them up so quick. The opening. How do you open it? How do you open it?
The first pass. Ooh.
Oh,
See, it has marble.
that smells so good.
It has a marble surface.
She picked it, but it has a lighted keyboard. Touch screen, like I said. I wonder if they're fingerprint proof. Let's turn it on. Let's see if there's any use in it. There, look at it. See the keys light up?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We gotta learn stuff.
Yeah, we have to learn about this. So we're going to take
Oh, look. Okay.
a couple weeks to start getting ready for our channel. And then we'll have a couple things to put on right away.
So there's, oh, this is to turn the keys bright and dark. See? Dark.
And can we change the color?
Of the keys?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
I think so.
Dark and bright. Alright, well, let's get it started. We gotta set it up, pick our time zone and all that, and
You've got mail.
password and all that.
Yep, we'll get it all ready.
Maybe you got one of these lately, or you're waiting for one from HP. 17-inch. Should we measure it, or we trust them?
Let's trust them.
Okay. I should probably plug it in for the
Yeah.
startup and the setup.
Yeah.
So, stay tuned for our new channel. Me and her. Her and me. We're going to have a lot of good stuff there.
Yep. We have some plans for you. And of course, we'd like to hear feedback from you guys, and that helps us to know what to do next. Couple of weeks, would you say?
Yeah, we're shooting for January 1st.
If we can get everything ready, I'm sure we can, but can we wait that long?
Yeah.
That's the question.
And we don't know the name of it yet, so
Yeah, we
just,
have some work to do.
yeah. This is nice, isn't it? New toy. Well, I'm going to play with it today. I'm going to set it all up. Well, we're
Okay.
both going to do that. What's it say? Just a moment, it says. Okay.
Yeah, I think you'll have fun starting this out today.
That's nice. Wireless mouse with a dongle and a battery. So, pass the word, everybody. We got a new channel coming up.
Yep,
And we'll see you very soon. In the meantime, keep watching our separate channels.
Yep.
Because we're on each other's channels anyway.
Yeah, a lot of times.
And it's going to be fun.
That's why we're doing it, because we have a lot of fun doing them together. And then we'll still keep doing our separate channels too.
You just plug this wireless dongle into the side there, and then you've got a wireless mouse. But we like the rollerball mouse, don't we?
Yeah, we both use a different style mouse. We'll
We got
probably
used
get
to
to
it.
that.
We'll see. Well, I don't know about the touchscreen either, but I've been touching it and there's no fingerprints.
Yeah, I don't see any from the
Although
side.
I'm always impeccably clean.
Yes,
I don't
that's
see
right.
no- see?
Oh boy.
All right. Thanks for watching. Stay excited. It's going to be a great year coming up. We'll talk to you soon.
See ya.
Bye.